Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick video, I will tell you why your Duolingo app icon looks sick and how to fix it. You might have noticed your Duolingo all icon looking tired or sick. Don't worry, this isn't a bug or virus. This is actually part of Duolingo's marketing campaign. They occasionally update the icon to get your attention, like this sick or sad version, to remind you to come back and study. So technically, there is nothing wrong. Here you can see they have already mentioned it's a marketing campaign to grab users' attention and increase app engagement. So technically there is nothing wrong. But if you want the normal icon back, just update the app from the Play Store and it usually reverts after a few days or with the next update. Tap the update button if available. Once updated, the app may return to normal, especially if the campaign ends. If the icon still looks weird, give it a few days. It's not a bug, it's intentional. Duolingo likes to get creative with their mascot. That's it. I hope this cleared things up. If this video helped, give it a like, subscribe, and check out our next tech fix. Thanks for watching.